Hello, I'm Dr. Manuel Torres with Baptist Health Primary Care. Chronic cough is more than just an annoyance. It can ruin your sleep and leave you feeling exhausted. Chronic cough is defined as a cough lasting at least 8 weeks or longer in adults and 4 weeks in children. The most common causes that trigger a chronic cough are tobacco abuse, post-nasal drip, asthma, and acid reflux. Chronic cough typically disappears once the underlying problem is treated. For more information on chronic cough, discuss it with your primary care physician.